Hello, and welcome to Studio 5 Degrees. Today we're going to be covering the mobile wall system, which is going to be used for photography as well as a few other applications. To be able to cover a few safety tips, as well as the ease of changing out the legs to change the system, we want to cover a few things first. You want to make sure that you have a hammer on hand, a straight blade screwdriver, as well as a 1/2-inch socket with a ratcheting head. These will just help in being able to change the system out more efficiently. Today I'm going to be using a drill with a 1/2-inch socket and a ratcheting head just to be able to ease things and make things move a little bit faster for the video. The first couple of things we want to cover are the different types of wall systems you can set up. There's the H style, which is sitting behind me, the U style, the J style, as well as the Z style, which allows different walls to be put up against each other and eliminate the legs that are down at the base. In this portion we're going to show you how to modify the wall so it can be used in a different application. In this particular case it's in an H style setup with 2 legs on each side with the wall going through the center. We're going to move one of the legs back into what is referred to as the J style that will be able to be butted up against one of the other walls. So to be able to tip a wall over, in this case you want to make sure you have at least 10 feet of space between yourself on this wall and then where you're going to be tipping it to. So you have 8 feet here, and then give yourself at least 2 feet of room when you're tipping the wall over. So we'll slide it over, you're going to put your foot right at the base, pull the wall towards you, all the way down. We'll set that down. Right here we have 2 long bolts. These ones here are about an 8-inch bolt. You have a little 2-inch bolt right here. I'm going to use the drill just to make this a little. So we're going to pull the one out, and as I mentioned before, if you have a screwdriver you can just lift this other one out. You're going to pull these all the way out, and then you're going to pull the leg system out. You're going to slide it over, wiggle that in. Some of them are a little bit on the snug side as far as fit. We want to make sure that they are tight. Line up like so, take your long bolts, drop them back in. You're going to put your short 2-inch back in. And as I said before, have that hammer on hand. This is just a tap down. You just want to make sure that these bolts are just kind of flush across this side so the other wall can flush up against it. And now to tip these walls back up, it's the same process. I'm going to start back on the other end. We're going to elevate the wall, just kind of work your way up. It may not be a bad idea to have somebody with you while doing this, just so you have some extra set of hands spotting you, but it can all be done easily just as one person. So just lift at the bottom, get it up to about your waist, walk it all the way up, let it sit. When the other bolts just slid out, simply just slide it in, slide this over. I'm going to pull another wall in. And in this case, it's just going to be a matter of firming up a few things. We'll tie the top 2 together, we'll tie the bottom 2 together, and we'll show you in just a moment. Alright, in this portion we're going to cover how to attach 2 wall systems together. In this case you're going to take a reverse J system wall, which has the runner of the legs going across. The wall comes through the center, and then the bottom leg runs all the way back, forming a reverse letter J. This is a Z style wall. You have a leg that goes all the way back, it comes to here, the wall goes across, and then the leg comes out here. A Z and a reverse Z make a nice module to be able to splice the 2 together and then go between gray to white on either side, just depending on which side you want to be shooting on. In this case we're going to cinch these 2 together simply by using 2 scrap pieces of 2x4 as shims. If any real fine tuning needs to be done, use an actual shim. And then you also have a clamp. You can use string, a bungee cord, anything that will hold the 2 leg systems together right at the base. But we'll do so now. So just throw one of the shims underneath here, just lift this up. You're going to look and see that your wall across the top get close where you want it. let's say right there. And then this portion here is actually going to go between the two leg portions on the back. And then I'll clamp it together right at the base. And there you have it. We have the two walls now joined together. They're fixed in a way that just allows us to be able to manipulate and use this space without having these legs down in this portion here. So we're going to move on to the next portion, and that's going to be just disassembling and moving the other legs. Alright, that's the mobile wall system brought to you by Studio 5 Degrees. The wall system itself can be used in a number of different applications. In this case we are using it for photography, but you can use it for displays or anything for a backdrop. The movement of these walls is also something that we should take seriously. Make sure that you do have somebody with you or spotting you when moving the walls. As Studio 5 Degrees is not responsible for anybody that misuses or tries to modify the wall system in any way. It has been designed and built for one purpose, and that is a temporary stage setup for photography. So if you have any questions, you can always feel free to give us a call at 763-221-1410 or contact us on our website at studio5degrees.com. Thank you.